Here's your Safety Matters Express. Ready? Go!
When your workers are handling something like sharp metal, you may think a leather glove is the way to go, when actually, the best solution may be lighter and more comfortable. Manufacturers now offer comfortable, lightweight gloves with equal or even greater cut protection. Often a fan favorite, leather's perceived toughness comes up against the engineered strength of machine knit. Leather only delivers up to an ANSI A1 cut protection. It can also cause workers' hands to sweat, and it's bulky. Machine knit gloves offer a higher cut level and are cooler. Actually, there is no winner. While leather gloves are great for some jobs, you might be able to increase safety and compliance by offering a lightweight, more comfortable glove that workers won't want to take off.
Slips, trips, and falls are among the most common workplace injuries. Add in the additional challenges of ice and snow in the winter months, and those hazards become even more common, even if it's just workers coming in from the parking lot. So what can you do to eliminate these hazards? Teach your workers to walk like a penguin. Yep, you heard that right, walk like a penguin. Normally when we walk, our legs' ability to support our weight is split mid-stride. Walking this way on ice forces each leg to support the weight of our body at an angle. This can result in a nasty fall. Instead, take a note from a penguin. Keep your center of gravity over your front leg and your arms out to the side. Then waddle. It may sound crazy, but it works. Teaching your workers to walk like a penguin on the ice and snow reduces the risks of slips and falls. And while you may feel silly at first, feeling silly is always better than feeling injured. So give it a try.
New Year's isn't the only time to start something new. Resolve to create a safety culture using these 5 steps. Document and share your safety procedures and make sure everyone understands policies, goals, and the vision. Create a safety committee that includes everyone, from your top executives to hourly workers. Different viewpoints make it easier to spot problems. Hold everyone accountable and educate workers about the importance of reporting accidents and injuries. You can't learn from a mistake if you don't know about it. Evaluate your current processes and PPE with your workers to make sure you're doing everything effectively. Keeping everyone involved is key at this stage. And finally, motivate your workers by celebrating your safety achievements. So don't drop the ball. Make creating a safety culture one of your safety resolutions.
Whew, and that was your Safety Matters Express.
Lighter, and more comfortable. It's tiring being the star.
I'm very excited. I do a lot of falling. Gotta warm up. Waddle, my debut album.
No bloopers for me.